Hello everyone, myself Dr. Deepika Bere. I am an obstetrician and gynecologist. I am from Ashirvad IVF and XC Test Tube Baby Center. I would be telling you about fibroids. Fibroids is a very commonly heard term, also known as myoma. It is a benign disease of your uterus. There is a mass which grows inside your uterus and it could be of variable size and can cause variable symptoms. The symptoms can range from any asymptomatic woman, or can also have heavy menses or heavy bleeding during your periods or painful menstruation. Other than that, also can have symptoms of bladder and bowel like difficulty in passing urine or constipation, as well as fibroid can also lead to infertility, as it can grow within the uterus and can block the fallopian tubes and hamper the entry of the ovum into the uterus, or can grow in a way that can interfere with the implantation. Almost 80% of the women in the reproductive age, that is from 15 to 45 years of age, can have a fibroid as an incidental finding. That means that you don't even have any symptom and you just went for an ultrasound or a sonography for some other symptom and you got diagnosed with a fibroid. So I'll be telling you when to worry about it. If it is not causing any symptom, it is in a very small size, that is 5 centimeter, you don't need to worry. There would be hardly any treatment required, as with the age of menopause these fibroids shrink because the blood supply has reduced. But when you have to worry and when it needs treatment is when you already are having any symptom of increased menses or heavy bleeding, painful menstruation, or any feeling of mass in your abdomen. There you require any treatment. You have to consult your gynecologist. We would be prescribing you a certain medical treatment. When it is uncontrolled or not responding to the medical treatment also, you have to go for surgery like myomectomy. Here we try to remove only the fibroid part of the uterus and we left the whole of the uterus so that the purpose of the uterus is still remaining. But when the fibroid is very large, there is no possibility that the uterus can be saved, as well as when the age is beyond 45 years and you have completed your family, then we have to proceed for hysterectomy, that is removal of the uterus as well. These procedures can be done laparoscopically, but at certain times when the size of the uterus or the fibroid is very large, we have to proceed for the open surgery. Fibroid can affect your pregnancy also. If you conceive with fibroid, you don't have to worry unless and until it is causing any symptom. When it is large enough to cause any symptom, there are chances that you can go into preterm labor, that is tend to have labor pains before the expected date of delivery or before your 9th month gets started. Next thing is there are chances that you can have bleeding because the placenta gets attached to at the area where the fibroid was existing. As well as the fibroid tend to increase in size as the blood supply to the fibroid increases during pregnancy. So you have to be cautious. But again, the foremost thing I would be telling you that 80% of women being asymptomatic with fibroid hardly require any treatment. So next time you see your ultrasound and gets diagnosed and it is mentioned that there is a small 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter fibroid, so you don't need to panic or worry. This is a very benign tumor. It is not cancerous, as well as it is very much treatable. So next time you don't need to worry if you get to find out any fibroid in your scan. Thank you.